Hey everybody, Rabbi Bill Hamilton here to share with you my excitement about a final session of the series that we've called Writing Zionism's Next Chapter, to take place this coming Shabbat following 7:05 p.m. Mincha, around 7:25 this Shabbat Eve. I'll be taking a look at something very interesting in this third and final session. I hope you'll join me either at KI or online, the link below. We'll be looking at what are the forces that are at stake in this current debate inside Israel. I often think to myself, it's not my task to justify every idea or crazy notion that people have out there, but it behooves me to appreciate what brings people to those positions. That is, even if I find a position to be unjustifiable or incomprehensible, it's not a bad idea to appreciate what are some of the things that bring people to those inexplicable positions. We'll be doing that in the context of the passage we've been looking at the last couple of weeks. And we'll take a look not only at what Mendelssohn does to break new ground, but we'll also take a look at why the stakes are so high, why people are feeling as fiercely as they are, and what might be done to simmer things down a bit if it's still possible to do so. We certainly hope it is.